Hello, welcome to IT How To, and in this week's video we're going to quickly show you how to install Ubuntu 20. This will be an extremely quick demonstration, so thank you very much. Please enjoy. If you've got to the end of this video, thank you very much. Please like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel should you wish to see further videos from myself, and do not forget to hit the notification bell should you wish to be notified when I upload further videos to this channel. And thank you very much for your time.